Have you ever noticed that paying with cash feels different? It hurts, literally. Your brain experiences pain when you hand over physical money. But when you swipe a card or tap your phone, that pain disappears. And that's exactly why you spend more with plastic. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the science behind the pain of paying and how to use it to your advantage. Stay with me. Part 1. The pain of paying. Researchers discovered something fascinating. When you pay with cash, a part of your brain called the insula lights up. The insula is the same part of your brain that processes physical pain. Paying cash literally hurts. Not a lot, but enough to make you pause. Enough to make you think twice. Enough to make you ask, do I really need this? That's the pain of paying. It's your brain's natural brake pedal, and it protects you from overspending. But here's the problem. When you swipe a card or tap your phone, the insula doesn't light up. The pain disappears, and without that pain, you spend more. Researchers found that people spend up to 83% more when they pay with credit cards instead of cash. That's not an accident. That's your brain responding to the absence of pain. Part 2. Why cards kill the pain. So why do cards kill the pain? There are 2 reasons. First, there's a delay. When you pay cash, you feel the loss immediately. The money leaves your hand right now. But when you swipe a card, the actual payment happens later. You don't see the money leaving your account until the bill arrives. That delay makes the purchase feel free. Second, cards are abstract. Cash is physical. You can see it, touch it, count it. But a card is just a piece of plastic. And your brain has a hard time connecting abstract payment to real money. So when you tap your phone, you don't feel like you're spending money at all. You feel like you're getting something for nothing. That's why buy now, pay later is so dangerous. It makes spending feel completely painless. And when spending is painless, you do more of it. Part 3. How companies exploit this. Companies know about the pain of paying, and they've designed their entire business models around reducing it. One-click checkout, saved card details, automatic payments, subscriptions. Every time they remove friction, they remove pain. And every time they remove pain, you spend more. Amazon's one-click ordering increased sales by billions. Why? Because it made spending effortless. No entering card numbers, no second thoughts, just click. Done. Mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay do the same thing. They make paying so fast and easy, you don't even notice. And that's the point. Companies don't want you to feel the pain. Because when you feel the pain, you spend less. And they want you to spend more. Part 4. How? Use the pain to your advantage. So how do you use the pain of paying to your advantage? Simple. Make spending hurt again. Here's the system. Step 1. Use cash for discretionary spending. Set aside a weekly allowance in cash for things like coffee, snacks, entertainment. When the cash is gone, you're done. The physical act of counting out bills will make you think twice. Step 2. Delete saved card details. Force yourself to enter your card number every time you buy something online. That extra 30 seconds of effort is enough to kill many impulse purchases. Step 3. Check your bank account before buying. Before you make a purchase, look at your balance. See the number go down in your mind. That mental image creates pain, and pain creates pause. Step. Use a 48-hour rule. When you want something, write it down and wait 48 hours. If the urge passes, you just saved yourself. If it's still there, now it's a real decision. The goal is not to never spend. The goal is to feel the spending. Because when you feel it, you make better decisions. Here's what I want you to remember. Cash hurts. Cards don't. And that's why you spend more with plastic. But you can use the pain of paying to your advantage. Use cash. Delete saved cards. Check your balance. Wait 48 hours. Make spending hurt again. Because when spending hurts, you do less of it. And when you spend less, you keep more. And the more you keep, the wealthier you'll become. If this video helped you understand the pain of paying, follow for more. Because the more you understand your brain, the more money you'll keep. Your future self will thank you.